ERIC, the European Research Initiative on CLL, has been working for many years with the aim of promoting research that would improve patient management, that would strengthen collaboration, and that would disseminate good practices. And I think that yesterday's meeting was quite the things that we discussed in yesterday's meeting were relevant and covered all three areas. And I would like to give you an example. So, speaking about promoting research and strengthening collaboration, we have launched a novel project aiming at doing a census, in fact, of patients with CLL throughout Europe. And I mean that it is a truly pan-European study. So every physician in academic hospitals, in NHS, in private practice, will be very welcome to participate and help us collect a large database that will serve a number of purposes, including getting ideas about what we call health technology assessment. In other words, any kind of novel intervention, what it means, the cost effectiveness, how we can plan treatment better. So this was announced yesterday. The other thing about disseminating good practices, we have learned, some of the things we learned from the studies on novel drugs is that they are extremely effective in particular subtypes of the disease that were very difficult to treat previously. For instance, there are patients harboring a genetic defect. We call it deletion of chromosome 17p. This affects a particular gene. It's called TP53. And in the past, we only knew about deletions. More recently, we've learned that there are other types of aberrations that we call mutations of this gene. So if you have aberrant TP53, either due to deletion, so a macroscopic lesion, or due to a mutation, so a microscopic thing, the outcome is very poor. The new drugs have proven very efficacious for these patients, which makes it essential to be able to diagnose these lesions, to detect these lesions. So ERIC has been at the forefront globally and of research aiming, it's translational, it's practical research, aiming at disseminating good practices, ensuring that a certification of all interested labs will take place periodically. And now we have more than, I think, 80 ERIC certified labs. And we will continue such activities, as well as educational face-to-face activities that will promote standards.